Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how streaming services know exactly what movie you want to watch next? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. In simple terms, AI is technology that allows computers and machines to simulate human intelligence. That means helping software perform smart tasks like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and making decisions, things that used to require a human mind. So, how does AI actually work? At its core, modern AI relies heavily on data processing. Imagine handing a computer millions of dog photos. By processing all that data, the system discovers hidden patterns like ear shapes or snout lengths. Once it learns these patterns, it can look at a brand new photo and accurately predict whether there's a dog in it. AI doesn't see like we do, it processes massive amounts of data to find patterns and make predictions. A great everyday example of this is how streaming platforms like Netflix work. Every time you watch a show, rate a movie, or skip a trailer, Netflix's AI analyzes your watching habits. It compares your choices with millions of other users to discover subtle patterns. Then, it automatically recommends new movies and TV shows tailored specifically to your personal tastes, saving you hours of endless scrolling. But recommendations are just the beginning. Everyday technology relies on AI and machine learning techniques all around us. Voice assistants on your smartphone use AI to understand your spoken words and answer questions. Spam filters in your email inbox constantly analyze incoming messages to block junk before you ever see it. Even GPS navigation apps rely on AI to calculate live traffic data, predict delays, and find the fastest route to your destination. To understand AI, you also need to know about machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a critical subfield of AI focused on building systems that learn and improve automatically from experience without being explicitly programmed for every single rule. Instead of writing strict code for every scenario, developers give the system data, and it learns on its own. The more data and practice a machine learning algorithm receives, the better and more accurate it becomes over time. With all this talk about smart machines, it's easy to wonder, is AI actually thinking like a human? The short answer is no. Today's technology operates as what scientists call narrow AI. It completely lacks feelings, self-awareness, or genuine human consciousness. AI doesn't understand what it's doing, it simply follows code, mathematical rules, and data patterns to complete specific tasks. It doesn't possess sentience, it just calculates possibilities based on math. To wrap it all up, artificial intelligence is a powerful technology that enables computers to simulate smart human cognitive functions. By leveraging massive amounts of data and machine learning algorithms, AI shapes everything from smartphone assistants to route mapping. As AI continues to evolve, understanding these basic concepts will help us navigate an increasingly digital world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Ever wondered how computers became smart enough to talk, create art, and solve complex problems? Today, artificial intelligence feels like magic, but its journey actually spans several decades of scientific breakthroughs, high hopes, and times when progress completely froze. The official story of artificial intelligence began in 1956 at the Dartmouth workshop. A group of visionary scientists gathered to explore if machines could simulate human intelligence. It was at this workshop that scientist John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. In the beginning, optimism was sky high. However, early computers were slow, expensive, and had strict limits. When big promises weren't met quickly enough, funding dried up and interest cooled down. These periods of slowdown are known as AI winters, occurring notably in the 1970s and late 1980s. Towards the late 20th century, scientists made a crucial pivot. Instead of writing strict, hard-coded rules for computers, known as symbolic AI, they began teaching computers how to learn from data. This was the rise of modern machine learning. This new approach led to legendary milestones. In 1997, IBM's supercomputer Deep Blue made global headlines by defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It showed the world that computer logic could outmatch human strategy in complex games. Fast forward to 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, a master of the ancient game of Go. Because Go has more possible moves than atoms in the universe, AlphaGo used deep neural networks to learn patterns, proving AI could solve problems once thought impossible. Today, educators at places like the Computer History Museum use these historic milestones to show how early computer logic evolved into modern smart technology. Our current AI boom isn't magic, it's the result of decades of foundational research combined with big data and powerful computing hardware like GPUs. From a small summer workshop in 1956 to tools that power our daily lives, AI has come a long way. What part of AI history surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech explained simply. Please subscribe, like and share, thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence and machine learning are the exact same thing? You hear these two terms everywhere in the news, tech reviews, and social media. But while people often use them interchangeably, they actually mean two different things. Today, we are going to break down AI versus machine learning in plain, simple English so you will never get them mixed up again. Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the broad idea of building smart machines that can mimic human thinking and decision-making. Think of AI as the main goal. Whenever a computer does something smart that usually requires human intelligence, like recognizing speech, making decisions, or playing chess, that is AI. It is the big umbrella term for the whole field. So where does machine learning fit in? Machine learning, or ML, is a specific technique used to achieve AI. Instead of a human writing step-by-step instructions for every single choice, machine learning allows computers to analyze lots of data, find patterns on their own, and learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. Here is the easiest way to remember their relationship: all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. Imagine AI as a giant toolbox aimed at building intelligence systems. Machine learning is just one super powerful tool inside that toolbox. Non-ML AI systems exist too, such as older computer programs that strictly follow hard-coded rules written by human programmers. Let's compare them directly. Traditional or basic AI runs on hard-coded rules written manually by humans. For example, an early chess program might follow a fixed list of rules created by a developer to decide its next move. Machine learning, on the other hand, does not rely on written rules. Instead, it looks at thousands of past chess games, infers relationships, and creates its own rules automatically. To see how this works in real life, consider Netflix. Netflix uses AI to power its overall smart platform system. But inside that system, it specifically employs machine learning algorithms to look at your past watch history, spot patterns in what you like, and automatically recommend new movies tailored to your personal taste. One of the key features of machine learning is that performance improves naturally over time. As you provide an ML model with larger or higher quality datasets, its prediction accuracy gets better. If you watch 5 movies on Netflix, its suggestions are okay. If you watch 50 movies, the machine learning algorithm gets much more data to learn from and makes far more accurate recommendations. To recap, artificial intelligence is the overall field focused on making smart machines that mimic human thought. Machine learning is a specific branch of AI focused on letting computers learn patterns from data on their own. AI is the main goal, and machine learning is one of the best tools we have to reach it. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like and share, thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? Or how self-driving cars navigate busy streets? The answer is artificial intelligence. But did you know that not all AI is created equal? Scientists group AI into different types based on what it can do and how it works. In this video, we're breaking down the types of AI into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. Let's dive in. First up is narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Don't let the word weak fool you, this is the only type of AI that actually exists today. Narrow AI is designed to excel at just one specific task. For example, streaming platforms like Netflix use narrow AI to analyze your viewing history and instantly recommend movies tailored to your personal tastes. Siri uses it to understand your voice, and spam filters use it to clear your inbox. Narrow AI is super smart at its main job, but it can't do anything outside of its specialty. Now, let's look at how AI functions under the hood. The simplest functional type is called a reactive machine. These systems don't have any memory of past events and cannot learn from experience. They simply look at current data and react in real time. A famous example is IBM's Deep Blue, the chess-playing computer that beat world champion Garry Kasparov in the 1990s. Deep Blue evaluated board positions instantly, but it couldn't remember its previous games. Next in functionality is limited memory AI. Unlike reactive machines, these systems can look back at past data to make better decisions today. Most modern AI uses limited memory. Think about autonomous vehicles like self-driving cars. They store short-term data like the speed of nearby vehicles, road lines, and traffic signals over a short period to steer safely. What about the future? That brings us to general AI, or AGI for short. General AI is a future concept where a machine could learn, reason, and solve problems across many different fields just like a human. Instead of just playing chess or recommending movies, an AGI could learn to write an essay, paint a picture, build a chair, and chat with you effortlessly. Right now, AGI is purely theoretical and does not exist yet. Step even further into the future, and you get artificial superintelligence, or super AI. This refers to a hypothetical future state where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and abilities in every single way. We're talking about a machine with superior creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. It sounds like science fiction because, for now, it is. Looking ahead functionally, researchers talk about theory of mind AI and self-aware AI. Theory of mind AI would understand human emotions, beliefs, and social cues to interact naturally with us. Self-aware AI would take it even further, having its own consciousness, feelings, and self-identity. Both of these are still purely theoretical concepts. To wrap it all up, today's world runs entirely on narrow AI with reactive and limited memory features. In the future, we might see general AI and super AI emerge. Understanding these categories helps us separate real technology from science fiction. Which type of AI excites or worries you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Please subscribe, like, and share, thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered what the actual difference is between machine learning and deep learning? These terms get thrown around all the time in tech, but they are not completely separate things. Think of artificial intelligence as a large umbrella. Machine learning sits right inside it, and deep learning is a specialized subfield inside machine learning. In simple terms, all deep learning is machine learning, but not all machine learning is deep learning. Let us start with traditional machine learning. In standard machine learning, computers learn patterns from data to make decisions or predictions without being directly programmed line by line. Common models include decision trees and linear regression. These algorithms work exceptionally well with structured data, like numbers and spreadsheets. Best of all, they are highly interpretable, meaning human engineers can easily look inside and understand exactly why the model made a specific choice. So, where does deep learning come in? Deep learning uses complex structures called artificial neural networks. While these networks were historically inspired by how biological brains work, modern deep learning actually relies on heavy mathematical optimization and linear algebra. Deep learning truly shines when dealing with massive amounts of unstructured data, like raw images, live video, continuous audio, and text. One of the biggest differences between the two comes down to feature extraction. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize cars. With traditional machine learning, a human expert must tell the computer which features matter, like looking for round wheels or rectangular windows. This manual work is called feature engineering. But deep learning does this automatically. Give a deep learning model thousands of car photos, and it figures out the important visual features all on its own. However, that automation comes with a trade-off. Deep learning models usually require massive datasets and specialized computer hardware, like powerful GPUs or TPUs, to perform well. That said, with a technique called transfer learning, developers can take a pre-trained deep learning model and fine-tune it using a much smaller dataset. Another key difference is transparency. Classical ML models are easy to explain, while deep learning models operate like a black box because of millions or even billions of internal mathematical parameters. In the real world, advanced technology often uses both together. Take self-driving cars, like a Tesla. Automakers use traditional machine learning to analyze structured sensor data for predictive maintenance, calculating when parts might fail. At the very same time, they rely on deep learning to instantly process live video from cameras to detect pedestrians, lane markers, and road signs in real time. To wrap it up, choose machine learning when you have structured data, limited computer power, or need clear explanations for every decision. Choose deep learning when working with complex raw data like images or audio and you have the computing power to back it up. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how computer tools can write full essays, compose music, or create digital art in seconds? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring generative AI in simple terms: what it is, how people use it every day, and why it is changing the world. So, what exactly is generative AI? In simple words, it is a type of artificial intelligence that creates brand new content instead of just searching for existing information. Traditional AI might help you sort your emails or recommend a movie. But generative AI acts like a creative assistant that can write stories, paint pictures, or generate computer code from simple text instructions called prompts. How does it actually do this? Generative AI models do not think like humans, and they do not have feelings. Instead, they study huge amounts of existing data like millions of books, websites, and images. By looking at all this data, the AI learns patterns. When you give it a prompt, it uses mathematical predictions to guess what words or visual pixels should come next to build something fresh. You might already be using some of these tools without knowing it. For text and writing, tools like ChatGPT and Claude can answer complex questions, write emails, or brainstorm ideas. For visual art, tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can turn written descriptions into stunning images. And for software developers, tools like GitHub Copilot help write computer code much faster. People across many industries use generative AI every single day. For example, graphic designers and marketers at major companies use AI image generators to instantly create dozens of creative ad concepts. Small business owners use it to write social media posts, while students use it to explain difficult topics or summarize long documents. But generative AI is not perfect. Sometimes, these models make up incorrect facts or present false information as true. This is called a hallucination. There are also concerns about fairness, bias, and copyright. That is why human review is super important. You should always double-check AI output before relying on it completely. To wrap it up, generative AI is a powerful tool that learns from patterns to help us create text, visuals, audio, and code in seconds. While it is great for boosting creativity and saving time, human judgment is still essential. What is your favorite way to use AI? Let us know in the comments below, like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Ever wonder how modern AI tools like ChatGPT can write a poem, answer math questions, and write computer code all in the same chat? It all comes down to something called a foundation model. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are breaking down what foundation models are, how they work, and why they are changing technology, explained in simple English. At its core, a foundation model is a very large artificial intelligence system trained on massive amounts of general data from across the internet. Think of it like the concrete foundation of a house. Instead of building a brand new house from scratch every time you want a new room, you build one strong foundation first. Then, you can easily build different rooms on top of it, like a living room, a kitchen, or a home office. In traditional AI, scientists had to build a brand new model for every single task. You had one model for translating languages and a completely separate model for checking spelling. Foundation models changed that completely. Because they analyze vast amounts of text, images, and code to learn general patterns, a single foundation model can handle many different jobs, from language translation and text summarization to creative writing and logical reasoning. What makes foundation models so powerful is how adaptable they are through a process called fine-tuning. Software developers do not need millions of dollars to create specialized AI tools anymore. Instead, they take an existing foundation model and customize it with specific data. For example, a healthcare team can give a base model medical records so it learns to assist doctors, without having to build a model from scratch. Let's look at a real-world example. Customer support teams at companies like Shopify use tools powered by foundation models, such as GPT-4 inside Shopify Magic. When a buyer submits a question, the AI instantly understands the message, summarizes long customer service ticket histories, and drafts accurate replies in real time. This helps merchants solve customer issues in seconds. However, foundation models also have a big catch: high resource intensity. Building one of these base models from scratch requires immense computing power, thousands of specialized chips running for weeks, millions of dollars in investment, and significant energy consumption. That is why a few tech centers create the main base models, while thousands of developers customize them for everyday use. To sum it up, foundation models are massive, general AI systems that act as an adaptable base for almost everything in modern tech. They handle multiple tasks, save massive amounts of creation time, and power the AI tools we use today. If you found this explanation helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more clear tech guides, and comment below, what AI tool do you use the most? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Today we are talking about foundation models. But what are they? Think of a foundation model as a giant artificial intelligence engine trained on a massive amount of data. Instead of doing just one tiny job, it can be adapted to perform dozens of different tasks. The main types depend on the kind of data they process. Let's look at the 4 common types you should know. First up, we have large language models, or LLMs. These models focus entirely on text. They read, understand, and generate human language. You have probably used an LLM to help write emails, summarize long documents, answer complex questions, or even write computer code. They form the core engine behind popular AI chatbots today. Next are computer vision models, also known as visual foundation models. These process visual data like photos and videos. They can spot objects in a scene, analyze medical scans like X-rays, or even generate brand new images and videos from simple text descriptions. The third type is audio and speech models. These specialize in sound. They excel at recognizing human speech, turning spoken voice into written text, identifying different speakers, and generating realistic synthetic voices. They make real-time live transcription and digital voice assistants possible. Now, what happens when you combine all these powers together? You get multimodal foundation models. These models can process text, images, video, and audio all at the same time. This lets the AI understand complex context across different formats, just like humans do. To see how this works in real life, imagine an e-commerce customer support team. A customer sends a message saying their package arrived broken, along with a photo of the shattered product. A multimodal model can read the text, analyze the photo of the damage, and automatically draft a helpful refund response for the agent to review. To wrap up, foundation models are large AI systems trained on vast datasets that can be adapted to many tasks. Whether handling text with LLMs, images with vision models, sound with audio models, or everything at once with multimodal models, they are changing how we interact with technology. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple guides to AI. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are answering a question that pops up everywhere in tech right now: what actually is an AI model? You hear this term all the time, but it sounds a bit technical. Don't worry, we're going to break it down into super simple terms. At its simplest, an AI model is a computer program that has been trained on a massive amount of data to recognize patterns and make decisions on its own. Think of it like a digital brain. Just like a person learns a new job by studying past examples, an AI model learns how to solve a specific problem by looking at tons of information. To really understand this, let me contrast it with traditional software. Old-school computer programs follow strict rules written by programmers. It's like a strict cooking recipe: if the user clicks this, do that. But an AI model is different. Instead of following fixed rules, it looks at millions of examples and figures out the rules by itself. Before an AI model can do anything useful, it has to go through a process called training. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize dogs in photos. You don't write rules describing dog ears or tails. Instead, you feed the program thousands of pictures labeled dog and not dog. Over time, it adjusts itself to recognize what makes a dog a dog. You actually use AI models every single day without even realizing it. Take Netflix, for example. Netflix uses an AI model to look at your watch history. It finds patterns in what you like, compares them with millions of other users, and automatically suggests new movies tailored just for you. It is also important to know that AI models are built for specific tasks. A model trained to recognize speech cannot translate languages or spot objects in pictures. Just like a human doctor and a human pilot have totally different training, different AI models are built for different jobs. Finally, an AI model is only as smart as the data used to train it. If you feed it bad, limited, or biased data, it will make bad decisions. Good, diverse data leads to accurate predictions. So to sum it up, an AI model is a smart computer program that learns patterns from data to make decisions on its own. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wished your computer could do your work for you instead of just answering questions? Most of us are used to AI chatbots like ChatGPT. You ask a question, and it gives you text back. But what if an AI could actually log into software, send emails, and finish whole projects for you? That is where AI agents come in. Welcome back. Today, we are breaking down what an AI agent is, how it works, and why it changes everything. At its simplest, an AI agent is a smart computer program that can observe its environment, make decisions on its own, and take active steps to reach a specific goal. Think of it like a smart digital worker. Instead of needing step-by-step instructions for every single click, you just give the AI agent a final goal, and it figures out the best way to achieve it. To understand AI agents, let's compare them to basic chatbots. Imagine you ask a chatbot, "How do I return a jacket I bought online?" The chatbot will give you a list of written instructions. But if you give that same job to an AI agent, it doesn't just give you instructions. It reads your email request, checks the store database, verifies your order, processes your refund, and emails you a printable shipping label. A chatbot talks, but an AI agent acts. So, what makes an AI agent so special? It comes down to 4 core capabilities. First, autonomy: it works independently without needing a human to click every button. Second, perception and action: it reads input data like messages or files and takes active steps in response. Third, tool usage: it can use software tools, search engines, and web apps just like a human would. And fourth, adaptability: it can check its own work and change its plan if something doesn't work out. Let's see how this works in real life. Imagine an online retail store receiving hundreds of product return emails every day. Instead of a human opening every email, an AI customer support agent handles it automatically. The agent reads the customer's email, checks the return policy in the database, confirms the order was bought within 30 days, issues a refund through the payment system, and emails a return shipping label back to the customer, all in seconds without needing any human intervention. What happens if an AI agent runs into an unexpected problem? Say a software connection fails or a page doesn't load. A standard program would crash and give up. But an AI agent is adaptable. It analyzes what went wrong, changes its step-by-step plan, and tries another method to reach the goal. This ability to reflect and adjust is what makes agentic AI so powerful. In short, AI agents represent the next big leap in technology. Moving beyond simple text answers, they combine independent planning, external software tools, and self-adaptation to solve real-world tasks. As AI agents become part of everyday apps, they will handle more of our busy work, leaving us with more time for creative ideas. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple guides to future tech. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you noticed how AI tools are quickly getting smarter? Lately, everyone is talking about AI assistants and AI agents. While they sound similar, they work in completely different ways. In this video, we will break down the difference between an AI assistant and an AI agent, how they work, and why this shift matters for the future. Let's start with AI assistants. An AI assistant is a tool designed to help you perform specific tasks, but it relies on your direct instructions. Think of it like a helpful digital co-pilot. You ask a question or give a prompt, and it responds. If you do not give it a new command, it just waits. It is reactive, meaning it only acts when a human tells it to. On the other hand, we have AI agents. An AI agent goes way beyond answering simple prompts. Instead of waiting for step-by-step instructions, an agent is given a broad goal. It can independently create a plan, make decisions, and complete multiple steps all on its own with minimal human supervision. To make this super clear, picture planning a vacation. If you use an AI assistant, you have to prompt it at every single step. You ask, "Find me flight ideas to Tokyo under $800. It gives you options. Then you ask, "Now find me a hotel near the subway." You constantly guide the conversation to finish your plan. Now imagine giving that exact same task to an AI agent. You simply say, "Book me a 5-day trip to Tokyo next month with an overall budget of $2,000. The AI agent takes over. It independently compares flight options, checks hotel reviews, makes the bookings, and sends you a finalized itinerary without needing step-by-step guidance. So, what makes an AI agent able to do all this on its own? Agents rely on advanced reasoning loops like the React framework, dynamic memory, and external tool access. They break complex objectives into smaller subtasks, check their own progress, and actively connect to web search, software tools, or payment systems to act on the real world. To summarize the big picture, AI assistants enhance your personal productivity by acting as co-pilots for individual tasks. AI agents take things further by automating full end-to-end workflows and decision-making processes. Assistants wait for your next move, while autonomous agents actively take action to reach a goal. As AI technology evolves, we are moving from simple tools that just answer questions to smart agents that handle entire projects for us. Which type of AI tool do you use more in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear tech explanations. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you noticed how everyone in tech is talking about AI agents right now? But wait, aren't they just fancy chatbots? Not quite. While they might both talk to you in plain English, there is a massive difference in what they can actually do. Today, we are breaking down AI agent versus chatbot in simple terms. First, let's look at chatbots. A chatbot is a digital tool built to talk with users and answer questions based on set rules for prompts. Think of a chatbot like a helpful index card system. You ask a question, and it finds or generates a text answer. But to keep going, it constantly needs you to type the next prompt. Now, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is a smart assistant capable of independently planning, making decisions, and taking multi-step actions to complete a goal. Instead of just answering questions with text, an AI agent solves problems on its own. You don't have to guide it step by step, you just give it a high-level goal, and it figures out how to reach it. The biggest secret to an AI agent's power is tool usage. Basic chatbots are restricted to text generation inside a chat window. But AI agents integrate with external tools and software APIs. They can browse the web, search databases, send emails, and trigger software actions across systems automatically. Let's look at a real-world example in e-commerce customer service. Imagine you want to return a jacket. A traditional chatbot can answer "Where is my order?" by giving you a static tracking link. But an AI agent can automatically verify your account, process the product return, issue a refund through the bank API, and update the warehouse inventory, all without a human needing to click any buttons. You might wonder, what about modern generative AI like ChatGPT? Generative chatbots answer complex questions, which can blur the line. But here is the key nuance: chatbots focus mainly on conversation and text generation, while true AI agents are defined by autonomous action, tool usage, and environment interaction. To wrap it all up, chatbots talk and answer prompts. AI agents plan, use external tools, and execute full workflows autonomously. As technology advances, we are moving from tools that just answer questions to agents that get actual work done. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more simple tech breakdowns. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a huge question in tech: what is the difference between traditional automation and an AI agent? It sounds complicated, but it is actually really simple once you see how they work. Think of traditional automation like a train on a track. It follows pre-written, step-by-step rules. If you set it to do a task, like sending an automatic receipt email every time someone buys a product online, it does that exact step perfectly every single time. But what happens if something unexpected happens? If the data is slightly messy or missing, traditional automation usually breaks because it only knows strict if this then that rules. Now, let's talk about AI agents. An AI agent is more like a helpful assistant that understands a final goal rather than just a list of steps. Instead of giving it strict instructions, you give it an outcome you want. For example, if a customer emails a messy complaint message, an AI agent can read the email, understand the problem, check the user's account history, and decide the best solution, like drafting a personalized response or issuing a refund. So why doesn't traditional automation adapt like that? Traditional tools use fixed logic where every single path must be programmed in advance. AI agents use large language models and reasoning to figure out steps on their own. This makes AI agents amazing at handling open-ended tasks like reading unstructured documents or having natural conversations. But here is the cool part: real companies actually use both together. Traditional automation handles exact, critical tasks where zero mistakes are allowed, like processing a credit card payment. Meanwhile, the AI agent handles the complex decision-making and smart planning. Together, they create powerful systems. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand AI agents, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how big companies automate their daily work? Today, we are breaking down two huge technology terms you hear all the time: RPA and AI agents. They both help automate tasks, but they work in completely different ways. Let's make it super simple. First, let's look at RPA, which stands for Robotic Process Automation. Think of RPA like a super fast digital assistant that follows strict, step-by-step instructions. It loves simple, repetitive, structured tasks like copying customer data from an online form directly into a spreadsheet. It doesn't think or reason, it just follows the exact recipe you give it. Now, what about an AI agent? An AI agent is more like a smart human worker. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it can reason, plan, adapt, and make decisions. Instead of following rigid steps, you give it a goal, and it figures out how to reach that goal on its own. It excels at messy, unstructured tasks, like reading open-ended emails or chatting with customers. Let's see how a bank uses both. When you apply for a loan, an RPA bot automatically copies your basic form details into a database. Fast and simple. Next, an AI agent steps in to read unstructured documents like tax returns and evaluate risk factors. But because of financial rules and fair lending regulations, a human manager stays in the loop to review the AI agent's evaluation and give final approval. Here is another huge difference: what happens when software changes? If a website button moves slightly, an RPA bot gets confused and breaks because its fixed rules fail. An AI agent, on the other hand, can visually scan the updated screen, understand the new layout, and adjust dynamically without stopping. Because of this, businesses don't actually choose one over the other. Instead, they combine them. Think of the AI agent as the brain that makes smart decisions, and RPA as the fast digital hands carrying out routine tasks. This team-up gives companies the best of both worlds. To wrap it up, RPA follows fixed rules for simple, repetitive jobs, while AI agents use reasoning to adapt and solve complex problems. Which tool sounds most useful for your daily work? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Imagine asking AI to plan a vacation. A normal chatbot gives you a list of hotel ideas. But what if the AI could actually compare prices, book the room, order your flight, and put the schedule on your calendar all on its own? Welcome to the world of Agentic AI. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can independently plan, make decisions, and take real actions to reach a specific goal without needing constant human guidance. Unlike traditional chatbots that only give passive text answers when prompted, Agentic AI proactively works through multi-step tasks by itself. Here is how an AI agent actually works under the hood. First, it takes a complex goal and breaks it down into smaller, manageable subtasks. It creates a step-by-step plan to complete each part. If something goes wrong or new information comes in, the agent continuously adapts its plan to overcome unexpected errors. To make real-world actions happen, Agentic AI relies on tool integration. It isn't stuck inside a chat box. It can interact with external software, databases, and web APIs. This allows the AI agent to send emails, look up customer data, and process payments safely. Let's look at a real-time example in e-commerce. Suppose a customer wants a payment refund for an item. An Agentic AI assistant receives the request, automatically checks the customer's order history, and verifies policy rules in the internal database. Once verified, the AI agent automatically processes the money refund through the payment system and emails a prepaid shipping label to the customer. The entire return process happens in seconds without a human employee needing to intervene. This marks a big shift in modern technology. Standard generative AI passively responds to prompts by making text or images. Agentic AI takes proactive initiative, executing complete workflows from start to finish. As agentic architecture develops, more businesses will use autonomous digital agents to handle complex daily operations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us your thoughts on Agentic AI in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following tech news lately, you've definitely heard about generative AI tools like ChatGPT that write emails, create pictures, or generate code. But there's a new term taking over, Agentic AI. What's the difference? Generative AI is like a brilliant creative assistant. You give it a prompt, like write a travel itinerary for Paris, and in seconds, it gives you a complete text summary. But it only creates content when asked, and then it stops. Now, enter Agentic AI. Agentic AI takes things a step further. Instead of just answering your prompt with words, an AI agent takes on a goal and autonomously works to achieve it with minimal human guidance. Imagine planning that Paris trip. Generative AI writes the plan, but you still have to search and pay. Agentic AI actually searches flights, compares prices, books the hotel using external tools, and adds it to your calendar. How do they connect? Generative AI actually serves as the core intelligence engine inside an agentic system. Large language models provide the reasoning and planning power, while Agentic AI adds the ability to use external tools. This marks a huge shift in how we use computers. We are moving from passive tools that wait for questions to active digital partners that can complete entire workflows for us. Thanks for watching. Which type of AI are you most excited to use in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear tech breakdowns. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how smart computer programs can solve complex problems all by themselves? Today, we are exploring AI agents. An AI agent is a smart computer program that can understand its environment, make decisions, and take action on its own to reach a specific goal. Unlike basic software that only follows rigid step-by-step instructions, an AI agent can act independently and adapt to new situations. Let's look at the 4 main characteristics that make an AI agent special. The first key characteristic is autonomy. Autonomy means the AI agent can make decisions and complete tasks independently, without needing constant human control. Once you give it a clear task, it works in the background to get the job done on its own. The second characteristic is perception. Just like humans use eyes and ears, an AI agent gathers and analyzes information from its surroundings. It can perceive data through text inputs, digital sensors, or online databases. This helps the agent understand what is happening before it takes action. Third, AI agents exhibit goal-oriented behavior. Every single action an AI agent takes is designed to achieve a clear, specific outcome. Whether the goal is tracking a package, processing a return, or answering a question, all of its choices are aligned with reaching that final objective. Fourth, AI agents possess adaptability. If something changes unexpectedly, an AI agent does not just break or stop. It learns from past results and reacts in real time to new situations. This flexibility allows it to handle sudden changes in dynamic environments. To see this in action, let's look at a real-world example. In early 2024, the e-commerce company Klarna launched an OpenAI-powered AI customer service assistant. In its very first month, this AI agent handled over 2.3 million conversations. That was 2/3 of all customer service chats. It automatically processed refunds, managed returns, and answered user questions 24/7 without requiring a human worker to step in. To summarize, an AI agent is an autonomous software program that perceives its environment, focuses on specific goals, and adapts to changes smoothly. These traits allow AI agents to handle complex tasks and transform modern technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever asked a chatbot a question, got a great answer, but then realized you still had to do all the actual work yourself? Well, that is changing fast. Today, we are talking about AI agents, smart systems that do not just talk, but actually get real work done for you. So, what is the difference between a normal chatbot and an AI agent? A basic chatbot just generates text when you ask it something. An AI agent is different. It can look at its environment, make decisions, and take multi-step actions on its own to reach a specific goal. Let us look at a huge real-world example. E-commerce company Klarna launched an AI customer service agent powered by GPT-4. In its first month, this agent handled 2 million customer chats. But it did not just answer questions. It checked order statuses, updated store databases, and processed refunds completely on its own without human help. How do they do this? AI agents break down big goals into smaller steps. They use planning, reasoning, and tools. Instead of just writing words, they use function calling to click buttons, connect to databases, send emails, or run computer code. Another amazing example is Devon, created by Cognition AI. Devon is known as the first AI software engineer. Instead of just giving you code snippets, Devon can plan an entire software project, write the code, fix bugs, and test the program all by itself. AI agents are not just on screens either. Automated financial trading systems use AI agents to buy and sell stocks in milliseconds based on real-time market data. And in the physical world, autonomous delivery robots navigate busy sidewalks to bring food straight to your door. Now, you might wonder, is it safe to let AI act on its own? That is why developers use guardrails and human oversight. Humans set safety rules so agents operate within strict bounds, preventing costly mistakes and keeping data safe. AI agents are taking us from simple conversational chatbots to powerful digital assistants that solve real problems. What task would you want an AI agent to handle for you? Let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Today we are talking about AI agents and how they are changing the digital world. You might already know basic chatbots that answer simple questions. But AI agents are much smarter. They can independently plan, make decisions, and complete complex multi-step tasks all by themselves. How do they actually do this? Unlike basic chat software, AI agents can connect to external tools. They can browse web pages, read spreadsheets, check databases, and use software APIs to complete digital work without needing a human to click every button. Let us look at a real-world example. The shopping and finance company Klarna uses an AI customer support assistant powered by OpenAI. This agent handles order tracking, answers questions, and processes customer refunds 24/7 without needing human staff for routine requests. In fact, it independently handles about 2/3 of all Klarna customer service chats. And the speed is amazing. Klarna reduced its average customer resolution time from 11 minutes down to under 2 minutes. This saves customers time and frees up human workers from doing boring, repetitive chores. Beyond customer service, there are many popular AI agent use cases. In software engineering, agents like Devon and GitHub Copilot Workspace help developers write and debug code automatically. Other agents perform market research, handle personal scheduling, and manage office workflows. Does this mean AI agents work completely alone? Not always. For important high-stakes tasks, companies use a practice called human-in-the-loop. This means human experts review the agent's work to double-check accuracy, safety, and compliance. AI agents are moving us from simple chat tools to powerful digital helpers that get real work done. What multi-step task would you give to an AI agent? Tell us in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wished you had a digital assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actually does your work for you? Welcome to the world of AI agents. Unlike basic chatbots that just reply with text, an AI agent is an autonomous software program. It can understand its environment, make decisions, and take real action to complete complex goals with very little human help. Today, let's explore the biggest advantages of AI agents and why they are changing everything. The first major advantage is true autonomy. Traditional software needs step-by-step instructions for every single click. But an AI agent is different. You can give it a high-level goal, like plan a travel itinerary and book the cheapest flights. The agent can break the big goal down into smaller steps, figure out what tools to use, execute the plan, and even troubleshoot problems if something goes wrong. This ability to handle multi-step tasks independently saves people massive amounts of time and effort. We are already seeing this work in the real world. Take e-commerce giant Klarna. They launched an AI customer service assistant that managed 2/3 of all customer service chats in its very first month. The agent handles complete workflows, answering questions, tracking orders, and even processing refunds completely on its own. While it handles routine tasks 24/7, human agents stay in the loop to step in whenever a complex or unique customer issue pops up. That brings us to the next big benefit: 24/7 continuous productivity. Human workers need sleep, breaks, and weekends off, and rightly so. But AI agents operate continuously around the clock without getting tired. Whether a customer reaches out at 2 a.m. or during a busy holiday sales surge, the AI agent provides immediate responses and keeps work moving without any delay. The third advantage is massive scalability and cost efficiency. Growing a traditional business usually means hiring more people, which gets very expensive fast. AI agents change the game by allowing a company to handle thousands or even millions of user requests simultaneously at a much lower cost. A small team powered by AI agents can operate with the speed and output of a giant enterprise, making high-quality service affordable and accessible. Another huge benefit is data-driven speed and consistency. AI agents can analyze huge amounts of data in seconds to make fast, reliable decisions. However, it is important to remember that AI accuracy depends on the quality of the data and models behind it. Without proper safety guardrails, AI agents can make mistakes or hallucinate incorrect facts. That is why smart companies build guardrails to keep the agent's decisions fast, consistent, and trustworthy. Finally, even with all these amazing benefits, AI agents are not meant to replace humans entirely. Human-in-the-loop systems remain essential for handling tricky edge cases, high-risk decisions, and emotional connections. AI agents take care of the heavy lifting and routine work so humans can focus on creativity and strategy. What AI agent tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about AI agents. You have probably heard that these smart software programs can do amazing things all by themselves, like writing emails, booking flights, or answering customer questions. But here is the big secret: AI agents have major limits, and they make mistakes far more often than you might think. First, let's understand what an AI agent actually is. Think of an AI agent as a superfast pattern matcher. It looks at millions of examples from past data to guess what to do next. But here is the catch: it does not actually think, understand, or possess common sense like a human. It is just following math patterns. Because of this, AI agents suffer from something called hallucination. This means the AI can state a completely wrong fact with total confidence. Imagine asking a travel assistant AI to book a trip, and it confidently invents a fake hotel that does not even exist. In high-stakes situations, these confident lies can cause big trouble. Another main issue is handling edge cases, or unusual situations. Let's look at a real-world example. Say an e-commerce company uses an AI agent to handle product returns. If a customer returns a regular item, the AI handles it smoothly. But what if a package gets lost in the mail and the items inside were also reported damaged before shipping? That is a weird, rare situation outside the AI's standard training. The AI agent gets confused, rejects the refund unfairly, or gets stuck in a loop. A human manager has to step in to fix it. AI agents also lack real empathy, emotional intelligence, and moral judgment. They do not know what it feels like to be frustrated, sad, or hurt. If a customer is going through a sensitive emergency, an AI agent might give a cold, robotic response that makes things worse. They follow rules, but they don't understand human values. Now, tech companies are trying to fix some of these limits. They use tools like Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, which lets AI agents look up fresh information in real time. This helps keep their knowledge updated, but it still does not give them true human reasoning. This is why human supervision is so important. In the tech world, we call this human in the loop. Having a real person check the AI's work protects your privacy, prevents costly operational mistakes, and ensures people are treated fairly. To wrap it all up, AI agents are incredible assistants, but they are tools, not human replacements. They work best when paired with human judgment, ethics, and common sense. What do you think? Have you ever caught an AI making a weird mistake? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more easy tech breakdowns. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.